Oppo Find X8 Pro. Just a quick look around. Box is pretty bare. Back does have the bands that's supported. Nothing in the lid. Right here, as soon as you open it, you're greeted with this box that contains your clear case. Next one you're going to see is your phone. This would be in a little like waxy paper, but this is that pearly white that Oppo has. Put that aside. Below that, you're going to have your USB-A to Type-C cable and your SuperVOOC charger. It has the US-Chinese type of plug. You can see the detail in the back of this. This is being recorded on the Vivo X200 Pro, so you can get an idea of the camera quality on that. There is the big camera module on the back of this Oppo. Looking around on this side, you got your volume rocker power. Here you have your quick button. That's your camera control, so double pressing that will activate the camera. You can also then press it to take your picture. You can slide your finger to zoom in and out. The bottom, so you get a speaker here, microphone. You got your USB Type-C, that's 3.2, with your dual SIM tray. No memory card. This side, nothing until you get to the very top. Between these two antenna lines, you have your 3-position alert slider. Great feature that they have. The back has your IR blaster in the camera module, so you can actually see your screen when you're aiming it at the devices you're going to control. Let's power it on. Little Find X logo there brings you to entering your PIN, because I've already had this out set up for a while to use. And there is my home screen. One of the coolest features is not only does it have the live animated wallpapers, but it does not have a short life of animation. You can see that the animation is continuing to move, where most only do a single loop, maybe 2 loops for, like 15 seconds or so, and this one will just keep going indefinitely. That is one of the coolest features. Get an idea at the notification and quick toggle combined panel. In the setting, you can actually split these to be notifications on the left swipe down, quick toggles on the right as a swipe down separately. You can see the animation still going. Left side, you've got your Google Discovery feed. So there's scrolling, 120 hertz. It's quick, smooth, no stuttering. What's this about the planets? Tale of 4 worlds. I'll have to read that later. But this is working in the US on T-Mobile. Does get 5G service. It's only missing band 71. So outside of that one band, as long as you've got good coverage, you'll have no issue with this phone in the US. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and if you're not already, subscribe.